Welcome to this short tutorial about Coollogo.com, a source to use to create your custom logo. Just follow the easy steps ahead and keep your eye on the yellow arrow. To begin with, log in at Coollogo.com. You should see a screen that looks something like this. There are dozens of logo themes on the page. Scroll down and find a logo style that would be good for your app's theme. When you click on the logo theme you want, you'll be put into the Coollogo platform. First, change the text by entering your app's name in the text box. Next, change the dimensions to match the resolution set of the MadLearn platform. The logo resolution set on the MadLearn platform is 1280 wide by 270 high. Now fill in the background with the logo as much as possible. Do this by changing the size until the logo fills in the space behind it without going right up to the edges of that background. If you want to change the color of the text, click on Fill and use the color editor. Once you're happy with the basic text, move on to the shadow phase. Select the drop or glow option to add depth to your logo by adding a shadow. Experiment with the options here. You can adjust the color, size, direction, and even the amount of blur your shadow has. You can skip the effects phase and go right to background. Here is where you'll make your logo float on the background images that you've created by making this background transparent. Once here, click the down arrow after the background fill button and click on the down arrow after the word color. This will show different options. Select the first option, transparent. Then click the OK button. Your logo is now ready to be imported to the MadLearn platform by way of your computer. Just click the Done button in the upper left corner, then the Download button to download your logo to your computer or cloud folder. Locate that new file titled Coollogo and rename it so you can find it more easily. After this, you can bring the logo into the MadLearn platform. Be creative.